Yes, it arrived. Open her up. My new door handle. I have no idea what I did with my old door handle. Looks pretty good. I didn't get the BMW version, I got a cheaper version. So let's see if we can stick that in there without having to take that whole door apart, panel apart. Hopefully, fingers crossed. New parts arrived. Let's see if we can reattach it without having to take the door panel off. So I got the new door handle. Got the little Torx screw that removed the old door panel, and I got the little trim piece to cover it up. So pretty simple. I think we just gotta hook it onto here. Grab the hook. I can feel the hook with my fingers. I see the hook. Just try to grab it with some needle nose pliers. There it is. Still has the old, well, still has the old plastic insert on it. Am I going to be able to get enough slack on this to hook it up? I got the old bushing on. And I just gotta hook it on, hook it onto here. Actually, let me get a pair of locking needle nose. Okay, got the locking needle nose. Let me just see if I can. Let's see if I can, how far back I can grab it. A little tighter. All right, got it. Is there enough room here? And so ideally you have it in there. So close. So close, don't let me break anything. Hey. Sorry for the random interruption, but a neighbor was cleaning out his garage and he came over to ask me if I wanted some old tools of his that he didn't think he would need anymore. He's downsizing, going to be moving away. So one of this old school, I don't even know what you call these lug wrenches. crossbar. I haven't really used one of these or seen one since the 80s. I tried it, didn't fit none of the sockets fit the BMW though, so I'll try my wife's car and my other car to see if it works on that. But he also gave me a whole bunch of other random tools. So I just shoved them all in a box I have. Cool rigid pipe wrench, hacksaw, and I thought this would be a couple of these old style Yankee screwdrivers. Again, haven't seen one of these since I was a kid and my dad had one. I just remember playing with it a lot. I don't know if this one works though. I think the other one might. That's right here. Check it out. Yeah, it works. Those are always so cool. I had a lot of fun playing with them. Gotta see what I can use them for. Yankee Handyman. Awesome. Oh. And the bottom opens? Does it hold other... The handle holds other bits. Awesome. I gotta check out the other one. See what's in that one. Where did I put it? Just here. There it is. Yeah, this one's got some bits in there too. 2, 3. Oh, very cool. I'll see if I can get this one working. All right. Back to the main video. All right, I think I can get it without having to take the door panel apart, but I just got to reposition these vice grips, hopefully. Maybe not. Alrighty, so I got that exposed. Yay. So I got that in there, but now I got to get this behind there. Rotate it. Yay! Successo! Alrighty, got it. So next, let's put that T20 screw in. Secure it. Beautiful. And let's not put this on until we test it. Take this off. All right, so we got it in position. Let me remove you guys from here and then we can test. Yeah, it works. Not as smooth. Works enough for me though. All right, so next time I have to redo the seal, the butyl tape, I will take it, I will double check it and make sure it's installed the right way. Let's put this piece back in. Okay, little pointy part goes to the bottom. See that little pointy tab right there? That goes down. And it's in. All right, another successful job. I'll probably set this little video up as its own separate piece, as I'll include it in the bigger video I'm making of replacing both door seals. But for now, we got that, and now let me just put the trim back in, and I'll be able to get the car inspected because I got a working door handle. Awesome. Okay, last thing to do is to put the piece of wood trim back in. So it goes this way, angled towards the back of the door, and the trim is held in with these little metal clips. So I find it easier to remove them. It comes out with the trim, just to take them off, pop them back in the door, and then it'll be easier to install. Now over time, these little metal clips do get bent and they don't retain the trim as well, but you can order these new from online. Again, I ordered these set from FCP Euro. Not this time around, but last time I did this. Date code. What's that? Europe does the funny, reverses the month and the date in the month, right? So that's the January 30th, 2003 production. E39 Nussbaum. Awesome. All right, let's pop that back in now, and this side will be done. And hopefully they all hold. Sounds like they do. Alrighty, very good. This side's done. Now we got to do the other side.